Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I've just been illuminated by this brand new 12-volt RV ceiling light from Leisure. We recently remodeled the little bathroom area in our 34-foot fifth wheel trailer. And the one that we had in here before was kind of an off cream color. And honestly, it fell apart when we took it off the ceiling. And so I'm so happy with this replacement one that we got. For one thing, it is so much brighter than the other one that we had. This has a permanent LED light that is super bright. And I just love that. I hate having lights that are too dim, just like the old one was before we replaced it. This was very simple to replace. Just follow the instructions and match the wires correctly. It comes with everything that you need to install it. My husband was able to install it in just a few minutes. He did use his drill in order to reinstall the screws. I just love the way that it looks and how bright it is, and that's my point of view.